Hello guys, today we're gonna make volcanoes!
You're watching, Danny!
Hello guys, today we're gonna make volcanoes! To start this experiment, we need some safety goggles because safety is first. So let me put this one to Super Danny. Good job. And then I'm gonna put mine. For this first experiment, we're gonna need styrofoam plates, a bowl, a plastic cup, a marker, scissors, and aluminum foil. So the first thing that we're gonna do is to trace a circle on the styrofoam plate. You want to do that, Danny?
Yeah!
Now, we are gonna cut the circle. The next step is we're gonna put this plastic cup on the aluminum foil, then the styrofoam, and then we're gonna wrap everything. All right, now it's taking the shape of a volcano, a metallic volcano. And the next step is to cut a hole on top and fold it this way. All right, for this volcano experiment, we're gonna need a solid baking soda. Solids are rigid like this granite countertop. We are gonna need vinegar, which is a liquid. Liquids tend to flow like the water. And then when we mix both of them together, we're gonna produce a gas. Gases tend to expand, just like the air. So the first thing is we are gonna pour some baking soda in our volcanoes. Good job. A little bit more, a little bit more. All of our volcanoes have baking soda. So now we are gonna put some food coloring. I have yellow right here. Okay, that's good. We have blue. Okay, that's good. Some red. More.
Green.
And green is the last one. The next ingredient is vinegar. And Danny is gonna pour the vinegar in the volcano, starting with this one. Wow, what color is that?
Yellow.
Nice, you can pour more, a little bit more. Wow. Next one. What color is that? Blue. Whoa. You need some more vinegar. Whoa. What color is that?
Red.
Green. You see all those bubbles are coming out? That's the carbon dioxide. All right, guys, the next experiment is also a neutralization reaction between baking soda and vinegar. And we are gonna show how the carbon dioxide expands to inflate these balloons. So the first step is to pour some vinegar in these empty bottles. The next step is we are gonna pour some baking soda into our balloons. Okay, that's good. All right, it's going on right there. What color did you pick, Danny?
Orange.
Orange. You love orange, right?
Yeah.
All right, now let me see the orange one. Orange balloon. The next step is we are gonna put the balloon on the bottle like this. So it seals the bottle, and when the reaction takes place, all the carbon dioxide will move into the balloon to inflate it, and it will expand. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So the next step is we're gonna flip the balloon and pour the baking soda into the vinegar. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Look. Wow, look. Whoa! It's amazing. Look, it's inflating. You see, guys, this is what I was telling you, that gases tend to expand. That's why the balloons are being inflated with the carbon dioxide.
It's so much.
That's great, look. What do you think, Danny? Is that great?
Yeah.
You got some more baking soda in there. Wow, look, yours is getting bigger than mine. Look. Wow, that's amazing. Ready? All right, for our next experiment, we are also gonna be using baking soda and vinegar. We're gonna pour just a little bit of baking soda into this empty water bottle. Okay, and Dan is gonna pour a few drops of food coloring. Okay, that's good. Now you can mix it a little bit. Good job. What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. All right, for the next part, we are going to pour some vinegar into this container. And we are using this tubing to show the carbon dioxide bubbles in this water. So we're gonna pour the vinegar. Okay, pour more. And immediately we're gonna close it because the bubbles are being produced. As you can see, all of that is the bubbles of carbon dioxide. All right, guys, now we have an even better experiment for you. We have a huge volcano. We're gonna mix the same thing, baking soda and vinegar. Are you ready, Donnie?
Yes.
Do it. The whole box is gonna be a huge explosion.